Hello children and welcome to Nature World. Today's show is going to be about the food chain. We're going to explain how energy from the sun ends up in the tummy of a big owl. Here's Tarquin Beefheart.
Hello to all our viewers. You're in for a treat today, as we're just about to meet the sun, who's visiting us from his home millions and millions of miles away in space. Here's the microphone, old chap. Hello there, son. That's Mr. SMU, and I'm the most powerful thing in the galaxy. I'm so strong that my arc reaches all the way to the Earth, giving energy to all that live on that little planet. In fact, if it wasn't for me, there'd be no living creatures there at all. They all need me, the governor. Okay, son. Mr. Sun, thank you very much. Oh, blast, I've dropped the microphone. We are having some technical difficulties today with our cameraman, our lighting and our staff. Hello, Lady Brass. In the food chain, she is known as the producer, and she is the first organism in the chain to provide for the others. You pesky litter.
That's right, darling. I take up all the sunlight and use it as energy for myself. It helps me grow strong and beautiful. Oh no, here comes that ghastly grasshopper. I know he's put his eye on me.
Ah, the grasshopper. He is the primary consumer in the food chain. Whoa, down boy. And he is the first to eat another organism. And that, unfortunately for Lady Grass, is her.
Yes, that is unlucky for the delightful, tasty Lady Grass. But we all got knees here, but I can't just stand here. I need to keep an eye out for the pesky mouse.
Ah, here is the lovely Mrs. Mouse, a carnivore and the secondary consumer in the food chain. Mrs. Mouse, you look like you're busy. What is it you're doing?
Oh, hello there. I'm trying to reach this litter from my home. I'm looking for some grasshoppers for my tea. Have you seen any?
I'm not really sure. Why don't we ask the wise old owl? Has he seen any?
Owl!
Well, we're at the end of the food chain, where we have the owl. The owl is the tertiary consumer, meaning for this lucky fellow, he doesn't get eaten by anyone, unlike our other friends.
I say there, boy, you haven't seen a tasty mouse about. I thought I heard a little squeak of a delicious little meal.
So there we have the simple food chain. We have the energy source, the sun, the producer, the grass, the primary consumer, the grasshopper, the secondary consumer, the mouse, and finally, the tertiary consumer, the owl. There are many, many versions of the food chain, containing the many, many variations of life forms on Earth. So aren't us humans lucky? We go about our day playing and working without any thought that there's something else looking at us, drooling over us as a tasty human meal.